Put me up, put me down, put my feet back on the ground. Put me up, save my heart and make me happy. Ay, 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 Coco Jambo, ay, ay, ay. Ay, 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 Coco Jambo, ay, ay, ay. Hey guys, I'm Vasco from UkuleleCheats.com and today we're making Coco Jambo by Mr. President. This is the first song of the ridiculous 90s hits. Originally it is in the key of C sharp minor, but to make it easier to play, I'll show you how to play it in the key of A minor. If you want to, you can put a cap on the 4th fret and play with the chords that I'm about to show you to play with the original recording. For the song we need 4 very simple beginner chords. So the first chord we need is A minor. Then we have the chord of F, which is the same. You just put your pointing finger on the 1st fret of the E string. Then we need the chord of G. And finally the chord of C. And throughout the song we have one main part which is used for the verses and for the pre-chorus where this lady is singing. And for the ay 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 Coco Jambo we have another part which is the chorus, I think. So the main one is put me up, put me down, put my feet back on the ground. Put me up, take my heart and make me happy. Pretty much this is repeated throughout most of the song. On the ground, put me up, take my heart and make me happy. And on top of it, you can play the second ukulele. I'll come a little bit closer now to show it to you. Alright, so let's see this pick. It starts with E string open, A string open, and then A string 7th fret. Alright, so. And we repeat the same thing. And then 3, 2, open. So for now we have. And then we go on the E string 1st fret, then A string open, and then 3rd fret, and then E string 3rd, A string 2nd, 5th, and then 3rd, 2, open. So for now. And then we'll repeat the same thing, just the end is different. And now from here we do open, 2, 3, 5, and that's all. Here's it slowly. Okay. And after that we have the chorus, which is ay 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 Coco Jambo, ay ay ay, ay 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 Coco Jambo, ay ay ay. And the strumming pattern I'm doing throughout the song is pretty much 4 downs, but the first down is really gentle, the second one is strong, the third one is muted, so it's like a chuck, and the fourth one is again strong, so it's kind of offbeat strumming. It's like to mute the third one, I'm just leaving my fingers on top of the strings without pressing. Alright, and pretty much that's all you need to know to do the song. Now let's do the play along. If it's too fast for you, you can slow down the video from the gear right here. Alright, let's give it a try. that was my ukulele tutorial for Coco Jambo. Thank you very much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you really soon. Bye bye.